Your plants are struggling, your lawn is burning brown, and the fertilizer you keep reaching for is making both of them worse. Here is why: above 85 degrees, the soil bacteria that turn fertilizer into something roots can actually use shut down completely. So you keep feeding and nothing absorbs, you are just salting roots that are already stressed. The fix is sitting in your kitchen right now, free, and it starts working in 24 hours on gardens and lawns that looked finished. 5 tricks: garden version and lawn version for each. Let's go. Quick context before we start, because it changes how you use everything coming next. In July, you are not feeding the plant or the lawn. You are feeding the soil biology underneath them. Restore that, and the nutrients already sitting in your soil, the ones locked out by heat, become available again almost instantly. Every trick below does exactly that: garden adaptation and lawn adaptation for each one. First one is the fastest, and it is already in your fridge. Trick 1: Milk Calcium Treatment. Whole milk, full fat, already in your refrigerator. Here is the problem it solves. When soil temperatures spike in July, calcium locks out. The chemistry of hot soil physically prevents calcium from moving through roots efficiently, even when calcium is present in the ground. The result is brown leaf edges, curling new growth, and blossom end rot on tomatoes and peppers. For garden plants, use it as a foliar spray. Dilute 1 part whole milk to 5 parts water. Spray both the upper and lower surfaces of leaves in the early morning before 9 am. The calcium absorbs directly through the leaf surface within hours, completely bypassing the locked-out root and soil system. For tomatoes showing blossom end rot, 3 applications over 1 week can stop the progression entirely. Quick note for lawn owners: skip the foliar spray on grass. Grass blades do not absorb foliar calcium efficiently, and milk sitting on a lawn in July heat will sour, smell, and attract pests. For lawns, calcium goes into the soil, not onto the blades. Use eggshell water instead, which I will cover in the protocol section. That is the lawn-specific calcium fix. The most important detail for garden use: whole milk only. Skim milk lacks the fatty acid profile that helps the solution adhere to leaf surfaces. And rinse your spray bottle thoroughly after every use. Fast, free, and it directly bypasses the single most common July problem in vegetable gardens. Now back to the tricks, because this next one is the absolute most important one for anyone with a flat, browning lawn. Trick 2: Cucumber Water Soil Drench. The water left after rinsing or briefly soaking cucumbers is one of the most silica-dense natural liquids you can pour into stressed soil. Silica is what most gardeners and lawn owners have never considered as a nutrient. It strengthens cell walls. In garden plants, it helps stems hold themselves upright under heat stress. In grass, it is what makes individual blades resilient enough to stay upright and green instead of lying flat and burning. A lawn that has gone flat, matted, and brown in July heat is often a lawn whose grass blade cell walls have structurally weakened. More water does not fix this, silica does. For garden plants, save the water from rinsing cucumbers, keep it cool and fresh, and apply it as a soil drench to the root zone every 4 to 5 days during peak heat. Do not boil it; heat degrades the silica compounds. Use it raw and cool. For lawns, apply the cucumber rinse water through a watering can or garden sprayer directly onto the soil surface in the affected brown areas. The silica moves through the soil profile to the root zone within a few hours of application. For large lawn areas, scale up by soaking a full bag of cucumbers or cucumber peels overnight in a bucket of water. Use that entire bucket diluted into a watering can and apply across the brown patches. Results in lawns are visible within 48 to 72 hours as individual grass blades begin standing upright again rather than lying flat. That is the silica doing exactly what it is designed to do. Trick 3: Green Tea Soil Inoculant. Used green tea bags, not fresh, the ones sitting wet in your kitchen bin right now. Brewed green tea contains catechins, compounds with a powerful antifungal effect on the harmful microbes that colonize heat-stressed soil while selectively nourishing the beneficial ones. This matters enormously for lawns in July. Hot soil that dries and re-wets repeatedly is a perfect environment for brown patch fungus, one of the most common and destructive lawn diseases of summer. It looks like drought damage, but it is actively spreading underground and consuming grass roots. Green tea creates a soil chemistry that is hostile to those pathogens. For garden plants, steep 4 to 5 used green tea bags in 1 liter of warm water for 30 minutes. Cool completely. Apply as a soil drench at the base of struggling plants once a week through the hottest stretch of summer. For lawn, scale up to 10 to 15 used bags steeped in 2 liters of water. Once cooled and strained, dilute into a full watering can and apply across brown or thinning patches. For lawns showing circular brown patch spreading outward from a center point, that pattern is almost always fungal, and this is one of the most effective zero-cost interventions available. Within 10 to 14 days of weekly green tea applications, the fungal pressure decreases and the grass begins recovering from the outside of the affected patch inward. That is 3 tricks down, and if you have been following along, your garden and your lawn are already getting more help right now than most people give them all summer. Quick pause before the next 2 tricks, because this matters if you want more than just survival this summer. July is not just the month your garden and lawn struggle. It is also the most important planting window of the entire year if you know which crops to put in the ground before July 15th. Beans, kale, spinach, root crops, zucchini planted this week, they produce continuously from August straight through December. While everyone else's garden goes empty in October, you are still harvesting. I put together a complete step-by-step guide called the July Planting Blueprint that covers exactly which 5 crops to plant, the precise dates, and the succession schedule that keeps you harvesting for 5 months. Link is in the description. Grab it after this video because the July 15th planting deadline is real and it is coming fast. Now back to reviving what you already have. The next 2 tricks are the strongest ones on this entire list. Trick 4: Aloe Vera Root Drench. 1 aloe vera leaf, that is all you need. Aloe vera gel contains salicylic acid, auxins, and plant enzymes. Salicylic acid triggers the plant's own internal stress response system, essentially telling the root system to shift into repair mode. Auxins directly stimulate new root hair growth. The enzymes help already stressed roots metabolize nutrients they cannot currently access. This works on both garden plants and lawn grass through the exact same mechanism. For garden plants, scoop 2 tablespoons of the clear inner gel from 1 large aloe leaf. Blend with 1 liter of water until completely dissolved. Apply immediately as a soil drench to the root zone. Do not prepare in advance, the active compounds begin degrading within 2 hours of mixing. For lawns, double the gel quantity. 2 to 3 tablespoons blended into 2 liters of water, applied immediately across brown patches with a watering can. For larger lawn areas, process 3 to 4 full aloe leaves into a 5-liter watering can. The auxins stimulate dormant grass root systems to push new root hairs within 48 hours, which is what eventually pulls those brown patches back to green. Use this once every 2 weeks on both lawns and gardens, not more frequently. The hormonal compounds it delivers need time to complete their work. Trick 5: Corn Steep Liquor Drench. This is the one no mainstream gardening channel has covered, and it is the most powerful microbial revival tool on this entire list, especially for lawns. Soak 1 cup of dried whole corn kernels in 2 liters of water for 48 hours at room temperature. The water turns cloudy, slightly yellow, and mildly sour-smelling. Strain it completely. Dilute 1 part to 8 parts plain water. What makes corn steep extraordinary for July heat is its concentration of lactic acid bacteria and fermentable nitrogen compounds. Applied to dead, biologically depleted soil, it triggers explosive beneficial microbial population growth within 24 hours. This is what $30 to $40 per liter commercial biostimulant products attempt to replicate synthetically. For garden plants, apply as a root zone drench every 10 days through July and August. Leaf color visibly improves within 5 to 7 days as previously locked nutrients become suddenly available. For lawns, this is where Corn Steep truly performs. Brown lawns in July are not just heat-stressed. They are sitting on biologically dead soil that cannot cycle any nutrients regardless of what is added on top. Corn Steep restores that biological engine faster than anything else on this list. Apply it across the entire lawn surface, not just brown patches, because the healthy-looking areas are also sitting on depleted soil biology. Use it every 10 days through peak summer. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you will see the recovery spreading from treated areas in a way that looks almost too dramatic to believe. The difference between a lawn that recovers in July and one that stays brown until October is almost always the microbial layer underneath it. This is the fix. The full July protocol, garden and lawn combined. Here is the complete order of operations, whether you are working on a garden bed, a lawn, or both. Day 1, aloe vera drench. Apply to garden root zones immediately after mixing. Apply to brown lawn patches with a watering can. This activates the biological repair signal in both grass roots and garden plant roots simultaneously. For garden plants, follow immediately with the milk foliar spray on leaf surfaces. This is the one step that is garden only, skip it for lawns. Day 2, green tea soil inoculant. Garden beds get a soil drench at the base of each plant. Lawn patches get the scaled-up version across all affected areas. The antifungal catechins are now working in the same soil where the aloe's auxins are stimulating root repair. Day 4, cucumber water drench. Garden root zones and lawn patches both receive this. By day 4, the soil biology is beginning to stabilize and the silica can actually be taken up by recovering roots rather than sitting in inert soil. Day 7, corn steep liquor at the 8:1 dilution. This is the biological lock-in. Garden beds and the full lawn surface, not just the brown patches, receive this application. You are now feeding the entire soil ecosystem, not just treating symptoms. Repeat this weekly cycle for 2 to 3 weeks and the recovery you see in both your garden and your lawn will be the kind that makes neighbors stop and ask what product you used. The answer is nothing from a store. Your plants are not as gone as they look. Your lawn is not as dead as it feels underfoot. Both are being failed by the same mistake: synthetic fertilizer on a soil system that has already shut down under July heat. The biology that delivers nutrition to roots has collapsed, and salt-based products cannot restart it. Only these biological interventions can. Start today with whichever ingredient you already have: aloe vera if you have a plant, cucumber water from tonight's dinner prep, green tea bags from this morning. And if you are ready to think beyond just surviving July, if you want to be the gardener who is still harvesting abundantly in November while everyone else is looking at an empty bed, the July planting blueprint in the description below is exactly what you need. 5 crops, precise planting dates, a succession schedule that runs through December. The July 15th deadline is real. Do not wait. Drop a comment right now. Tell me, garden, lawn, or both, what does it look like and how long has it been struggling? I read every single comment and I will tell you exactly which of these 5 to start with for your specific situation. Hit like if this gave you a new direction. Subscribe so you do not miss what comes next. Your garden and your lawn have more left in them than you think. Give them the right thing today.